So this is a disk again. If I take at a distance r, suppose this is distance r, and omega b and r. This circular disk is having radius r. So if I see it at some r dash, suppose q charge, so this q charge will be deflected outward, and this will gain a positive potential and this will gain a negative potential. So there will be definitely a potential difference, like it was in the case of rotating rod. Similarly, okay, rotating rod के case में भी था ना. So similarly, motional EMF will be there. It will have a motional EMF where you can consider a small length of rod like this, and this rod will be rotating like this, a small length. Okay. Now that means this and this option is wrong, where they are saying zero current. Now we have to see, it will depend on omega obviously, like EMF is BVL, and if V is equal to R omega, then it will depend on omega. But the resistivity or resistance will come into picture once I calculate the current. Reading on voltmeter will just give the potential difference. Okay, so reading on the voltmeter, and this is ideal voltmeter because they have given it has, you know, HSV, na? High resistance in series is voltmeter. So already it has got high resistance in the series. Okay, so it will not be affected by the resistance of this body. But current will be affected. When you calculate current, it will be voltage upon resistance. So that will be affected. Okay. So which option is correct? Depends on omega b and r, it is obvious, but not on the rho.